here I will search for services section here, and this services widget I added here. So our services section is created here and nothing to change. If I want to add more services, you just need to copy that and modify. I just copied the last item, so this development widget is modified here, and you can add more if you want. And if you don't want any widget or service to register here, you just need to delete that. And after that you can change stylings of this section. For doing that, you will find section background that will help you changing the section background from here. If you just change the background, it will be changed from your section background. And you can just remove this option background color so that it looks like default. And after that, section padding, if you want to change this section padding or spacing, you can just add a section spacing from here. So after that you will find section title. This is the section title section. You can change the color and other things like typography. If you want to change the margin or spacing of this title section, you can just modify from here. And after that you will find a separator, that is basically these two borders, and these borders you can modify from this border top, border bottom, and these sections. I already shown on previous sections how you can modify these borders. And after that you will find inner item styles. So item styles will allow you changing the background of an item. If you change the item background, you will notice the background of item has been changed. And after that, the border radius. So if you want to make the corners rounded, you can just modify the border radius and it will be changed to rounded corner. And after that you will find icon styles. This icon style you can change from here. For doing this, you can increase the icon style or decrease. Like if I start increasing, the icon size will be increased, so I will just make it default 20 pixel. And after that, icon spacing, if you want to create space between around this icon, you can just increase the icon spacing. And you will notice the icon is on the top, but I want this one on the center, so you have to make the same size of your icon size, padding size. Like if I give 65 pixel, it will be exactly in right center position. So these two value will be same always if you want to change. After that you will find icons colors. This has also two states, normal states and hover states. So in normal state you can change the color of your icon. So for doing this, if I change the icon color, you will notice the icon color has changed. And you can change the border color as well. Like if I provide 2 pixel, and here I can change the color of my border. So you can make different type of borders here. After that you will find the background of your icon. So if you change the background here, it will be changed. So you just need to modify these things. And after that, these same properties you will find in hover area, and here you can change the hover color. Like if I change this to blue and I hover over on this item, you will notice this icon is now blue after hover. And if you want to change the background color, you can make it to another color. Like if I make this color and hover it, you will notice the hover background is this one we just set. And after that you will notice the content style. So this content style you can modify, like if you want to change the organization name color, here you can modify it. So I make it completely white, and you can modify the typography, border size, like border size you can, border color you can modify from here. To change the styles of this description section, you will find this description section, and here you can add spacing. Like if I want to add spacing between this border and description, I can easily add from description. This is the description section, so I will add margin on top, and it will add this and it will add margin on the top. And after that you can change the style description color as well. If you want, you can add any color here, and it will be added here. And this way you can change the typography if you want. If you want to change the size of this font, you can easily increase the font size here, and this way you can easily modify this typography and other things. So this way you can modify the section and make the section style looking beautiful. So after that we will learn how we can create another section called testimonial. So this testimonial section we will create now. Before that I will just remove the colors from here, item styles. So if I remove the background, it will be removed.